grill up some chicken skewers. We're going to be using boneless chicken thighs, and we're going to be trimming off these fat pockets. Won't get all the fat off of there, and the small bits of fat that are left on these chicken thighs will help with the flavor. We're going to cut them in about 1-inch strips for these chicken skewers. Okay, we finished cutting and trimming them, getting the bigger parts of the fat off of there, but we leave some on there so it will give it some flavor. These are chicken thighs. So now we're going to just try to run through the center of these cut pieces of meat and get them on the skewers. And we'll add another piece here to this one. And the thing about it, it doesn't have to be perfect. Well, there's our first one. We'll start on another one. Do it the same way and just keep weaving them on or putting them on these skewers until you get all the meat taken up. Now you can push it through the center of the meat as you go along. If it's thin, just kind of weave it a little bit. It really doesn't matter. They're going to taste fantastic. And we got them done. Now I add a little bit of teriyaki over. I sprinkle teriyaki over the top of them and let them set in that juice, and I rotate them a little bit every now and then. And I'm going to make up some pineapple glaze to put on these when we grill them. Now my glaze consisted of pineapple juice, I don't know, a 1/4 cup, about 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and probably about a tablespoon of honey. I don't know the exact amount, but it sure tasted good. All I can tell you, it's going to taste really good. And we got the charcoals going, speed it up here, get them situated around. Going to be looking good here. Going to do indirect and direct. Now I got a bit of a drip pan down there below, and we're going to set these chicken skewers right over direct heat at first. We're going to try to get some color on these, and then we'll rotate them as we go along. It's been about 4 minutes. Now we're going to rotate them a little bit. And we'll get some good color on them all the way around. And we'll set the lid back on and wait another 3 to 4 minutes. Now we're going to set them on the indirect heat, just right over the pan. These skewers keep wanting to roll around a bit, so at the end of them kind of get caught up in the others a little bit, but hey, we make it. And now these sticks are hot. This is really hot, so even through my glove and the insulator, it's coming through there. Not bad, but you can tell they're hot. Now we're going to let them cook indirect for about 6 minutes. Now that 6 minutes went by pretty quick. I'm in this weird time zone, I think. And now we're going to lay the chicken skewers back over the direct heat, and we'll speed it up here. Now we'll apply our pineapple, brown sugar, honey glaze onto all these chicken thighs. These skewers are going to be fantastic. They taste delicious. And I added a little SPG in this glaze, mixed it around some. It's going to taste pretty good. We'll get them all done here, and then we'll flip them over. Oh yeah, look at the color of those. Them are looking fantastic. Now we'll apply our glaze to this side. It doesn't take a whole lot of glaze. That's the reason we don't have very much mixed up. We have more than we needed. But I tell you what, these turn out really good. The color is fantastic on them, and the taste is amazing. Now I used a can of pineapple chunk for the juices. Hey, and so I thought I'd put the chunks on a skewer and put these pineapples out here on the grill also. And so we're grilling 4 skewers of pineapple chunks. And we'll give these chicken skewers another turn. And we'll get these last 2 pineapple skewers on there. And we're going to let them, everything cook for about another 2 minutes, and then we'll give them a turn. I tell you what, the smell is really good. Look at that color. Keeps getting better each and every time. Well, I think I'm going to go ahead and pull these chicken skewers off and put them over the indirect side and finish grilling up these pineapple chunks. I believe they're ready to come off. Pineapple glazed teriyaki chicken skewers. Hey, these turned out fantastic. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, I hope you consider subscribing.